Hello, and welcome to this gentle exploration. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that's particularly relevant for many older women, understanding and effectively using personal lubricants to enhance comfort and intimacy in our lives. As we age, especially during and after menopause, our bodies undergo hormonal changes, such as decreased estrogen levels, which can lead to vaginal dryness, a common and entirely natural part of the aging process that affects up to 50% of post-menopausal women, according to sources like the Mayo Clinic. This vaginal dryness can cause not just physical discomfort and irritation, but also significant pain during sexual intimacy, which in turn can affect our overall quality of life, emotional well-being, and even strain relationships with partners. The good news is that personal lubricants provide a simple, effective, and accessible solution to alleviate these symptoms, helping to restore moisture, enhance comfort, and ultimately bring back pleasure and enjoyment in intimate moments. Now, let's take a closer look at the different types of lubricants available on the market, beginning with the widely recommended water-based options that are a staple for many users. Healthcare professionals, including those from WebMD, often recommend water-based lubricants because they are gentle on the skin, easy to clean up with just water, and completely safe to use with latex condoms and most silicone or rubber sex toys without causing any damage. Additionally, water-based lubricants are non-staining on fabrics and sheets, and they are generally formulated to be free from harsh chemicals, making them an ideal choice for individuals with sensitive skin or those prone to allergies. Moving on to silicone-based lubricants, these are particularly valued for their long-lasting slipperiness and overall durability, which means they provide sustained lubrication over extended periods. Silicone-based options are especially excellent for longer sessions of intimacy or even for use in the shower or bath, since they resist being washed away by water, maintaining their effectiveness throughout. That said, it's crucial to remember that silicone-based lubricants can actually degrade certain silicone-made sex toys over time, so it's always wise to check the product compatibility guidelines or opt for water-based alternatives in those cases. Lastly, we come to oil-based lubricants, which include natural choices like coconut oil, almond oil, or vitamin E oil, as well as some synthetic oil formulations designed for personal use. Although oil-based lubricants offer a smooth and natural glide, they are not compatible with latex condoms, as they can weaken the material and increase the risk of breakage. Moreover, they tend to be messier and harder to clean from skin and fabrics. With the types covered, let's now shift our focus to the numerous benefits of incorporating lubricants into your routine, along with some essential health tips to keep in mind for safe and effective use. Beyond simply addressing dryness, lubricants can greatly enhance both physical comfort and sensual pleasure during intimacy, allowing women to relax more fully and enjoy these moments without distraction or discomfort. By reducing friction between skin surfaces, lubricants help prevent those tiny micro-tears and abrasions that might otherwise lead to irritation, inflammation, or even increase the vulnerability to urinary tract infections or other issues. When selecting a lubricant, it's advisable to prioritize products that are specifically pH balanced, ideally around 3.8 to 4.5, to align closely with the natural acidity of the vaginal environment and support healthy flora. Maintaining this balance is key to preserving overall vaginal health, as it helps ward off potential irritation, bacterial overgrowth, or yeast infections that could arise from mismatched products. Furthermore, steer clear of lubricants that contain ingredients like glycerin, which can promote yeast growth in some women, or parabens and artificial fragrances, known allergens that might trigger irritation or allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. If you're dealing with ongoing or severe dryness and discomfort that persists despite trying lubricants, it's important to reach out to your doctor for a thorough evaluation and personalized guidance. A healthcare provider can help identify any underlying medical conditions, such as hormonal imbalances or medications contributing to the issue, and then recommend the most suitable lubricant or additional treatments tailored to your unique needs. Ultimately, choosing the right lubricant comes down to considering your own personal preferences, lifestyle factors, and any known sensitivities or allergies you might have to certain ingredients. It's a good idea to begin with just a small amount applied to a discrete area of skin to test for reactions, and feel free to experiment with different brands, textures, or formulations until you discover the one that feels perfect for you. For practical application, dispense a small dime-sized amount of lubricant directly onto the vaginal opening, clitoral area, or even onto your partner's genitals, either right before intimacy begins or as needed during the activity to maintain comfort. Open and honest communication with your partner about your needs and comfort levels is absolutely essential, as it fosters trust, ensures mutual satisfaction, and makes the experience more enjoyable for both of you. Keep in mind that incorporating lubricants is a positive, proactive step toward preserving your sexual health and overall well-being as you navigate the natural changes that come with aging gracefully. This approach is all about accepting and adapting to your body's evolving needs while discovering practical ways to continue experiencing intimacy in a comfortable, fulfilling manner that brings joy to your life. So, don't hesitate to explore the variety of options available, read labels carefully, and consult with trusted healthcare professionals whenever you need personalized advice to feel confident in your choices. Thank you so much for joining us on this informative journey today. We truly hope this discussion has empowered you with the knowledge to make thoughtful, informed decisions that support your intimate health and happiness moving forward.